into the parking lot. Turn newbie. Take the next exit. Go into the parking lot.
Okay. I remember you got me last time.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Pretty good. I'm gonna be late now.
Are you?
Yeah.
Dude, you're running like 88 to 65.
No, dude. Did you see me pointing at the truck?
No, that was you.
I was pointing at the truck for you. You was, dude. That truck had a big. Yeah.
That, you were the fast one.
That diesel truck, that red truck that passed, he was flying, dude. And then I passed him because I wanted to get away, and I saw you way up there.
You were in the right-hand lane, you zipped in.
There you go. Oh, shit.
You zipped in front of him at 102, which
how did you pace
86.
me from back there?
Huh?
How did you pace me from back there?
I have your radar.
You do?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Are you kidding? I was watching you the whole time.
Oh, fuck.
That truck.
No, that truck was fucking flying, dude. What do you mean? I got it. Well, no, I don't have the camera running. It's running now because this is always funny. Oh, fuck. He was going pretty fast, dude.
Oh yeah, both of y'all were.
You know how I am.
You took off at 102.
I want to get away from him.
To get into the left-hand lane.
I got to get away from him.
I know. Well, everybody does, don't they?
Yeah, I tried.
That's why they call this commuter traffic. Still live in Iowa?
No, well, yeah, I have a house there.
Okay. When you do your insurance, or not insurance, taxes, what?
It's going to be a pain in the ass. My taxes?
Yeah.
I have Iowa taxes still.
Okay, do you?
Yeah.
Okay, so you still live in the Cedar Falls?
I still owe them $300 too.
Okay.
That's my old address there, but I have another house there.
Oh,
I'm buying a house here in like 2 weeks. So.
Goodness. How much money you got?
Huh?
How much money?
Not enough.
Everything comes back clear. You can see red warning this morning. Just if someone's going that fast, slow down. Let them go.
Dude, I wish I could, but then they want to race me. And I'm like, come on, man, I don't want to do this. I'm going to work.
Whenever I'm driving mine, I got a Gixxer. 750,
right?
Yeah.
I remember.
Everybody just blows right by me. I just slow down.
You're full of shit. On that bike, that's the most illegal street bike you could buy.
I know, it's so cool. Hey, I've worked enough of these crashes.
I don't crash.
I know that. But I've worked enough of these crashes that the people don't come out alive.
I know it. Then they don't wear gear, and they don't have $100,000 of shit on their bike.
That's true. But
I take it easy most of the time, but you know, not when you're around, unfortunately.
Apparently, unfortunately. Alright, hang on.
Alrighty. Yeah, I got it. I mean, I can get it, or I can show you on my phone.
Oh yeah, show it on the phone.
Yeah. It's
pretty sure you do.
The key's holes here, but I can't get it unless I take the damn thing off.
Yeah. My balls got old.
Yeah.
Yours will get there.
Yeah, I know it. I'm not looking forward to it.
No. Alright. This morning's gonna be a written warning, okay?
Alrighty, thank you.
Go ahead and sign here.
Okay.
I know you.
I try, man. It's always the wrong place at the wrong time. But I always pull over. I don't condone running.
No. I appreciate that.
Yep. Some guys will tell me, like, I might make a video.
Yeah.
Some guys will tell me, oh, you just run. I'm like, they get your plate, they follow you, they see it. I'm in freaking green boots with a white Ducati.
Exactly.
Where are you gonna go?
Exactly.
You can't run. You're gonna see, I ride this road every day.
You put you and yourself, everybody else.
If you run, yeah.
When you run.
Yeah. I mean, I choose my times when I go fast. You know how it is.
Right.
But it's the wrong time this morning. So
yeah.
I respect what you guys do. But I gotta go now.
You're gonna be late.
Yeah, well, it is what it is. I'm not gonna rush to get there.
You bet.
Thank you.
Have a safe morning.
See you too.